Hi, today I am going to create a unique smartwatch stand for my Firebolt watch. But here is the twist. I am designing it to exactly look like a retro old computer. I will start by drawing a rough sketch of my idea. Then we are going to designing part. In this front section, we are going to place a smartwatch here. So this is the smartwatch. We can charge our smartphone like with the strip and without the strip also. Here I planned a small hole. This hole is especially designed for the strip. We will pass the strip through this hole slot and wrap it around the monitor. Here I am adding another hole. This one is for charging pin. Now the basic design is ready. Let's move on to the creating of 3D. After 3 hours, we got a model. Let's try to insert my smartwatch in this stand. This is my idea. Created this as a basic model. We can add some more detailings here, like keyboard details and some monitor details, like that. We can add anything. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and give me more likes. Thank you.